Welcome to Camera Cole, where we look at life through the lens of truth. Today we're talking about lighting. What is lighting? How can you use it? And what is it for? The word lighting can refer to the setup of specific lights. It can also refer to the effects of lights. I actually have 4 lights in this room setting a very intentional arrangement. I've got one over here casting warmth on the wall behind me. I've got one by the camera front lighting my face. I've got one up here casting shadows and creating depth. And I have another light down here warming up this side of the room. Lighting can change what people see. If I turn any one of these lights off, the image will look completely different. Lighting can change moods and shift environments. It can alter the way you perceive scenes. Warm lighting can make people feel home and welcoming and loved. And cool lighting can make you feel professional, sharp, and punctual. What does warm and cool mean? Warm means more yellowy and orange. Cool means more blue and crystal and white. Light also helps us generate more information. If all these lights were turned off and all you had was my voice and this camera recording, you wouldn't be able to see anything. You would lose out on my gestures. You'd lose out on the scene. You'd lose out on some things I have placed on the desk. You would lose out on who I'm trying to portray and who I'm trying to be to you. You'd lose out on information if you lose light. Really important things to understand about light is cameras, when you're recording, function better if you have more light. So if you've ever noticed you try to take a picture in the dark, it does not come out very well. But if you have more light, it's bright out during the day, you get really sharp images. Adding light can increase the quality of images you're able to capture with your camera. Just like understanding stereotypes and how to use them to prevent misunderstanding, we can also use light to prevent misunderstanding. More light means more information, less miscommunication, less misunderstanding. One simple way you can increase the quality of your images or videos is adding a light to front light the subject, or making sure that there's no windows or bright lights behind you. The sensor of the camera gets confused if there's a bunch of bright lights behind you and your face is dark in contrast. Understanding and being intentional with light can be powerful. Light goes into the darkness, and the darkness does not overcome the light. I've got more notes on light below. Thank you for taking some time to look at light through the lens of truth. This is Light with Camera Cole.